This tool allows us to create customized checklists for any trip or outing. We find it by going to the Species view via the main menu at the top of the page and clicking on the Go button for My Printable Checklist. Creating a personalized checklist from HBW Alive is simple, and there are step-by-step instructions right on the page. First, we select a country or biogeographical region, or various, up to 5, using the geographic filter at the top of the page. Once we have made our selection, we click on Set to activate the filter. We now have the list of species from the selected country or region and a menu of options to fine-tune how we want our list to appear. At the top, we see the total number of species appearing for the locality we have chosen. In the first box, we can choose if we want the species to appear in taxonomic order or in alphabetical order of their common names, as well as if we want this to be displayed in ascending or descending order. We click on Apply to activate any changes. Now we can see the set list with all of its details. In the country status column, we mainly find 3 letters. V is for vagrant, I is for introduced, and E is for an endemic species. If we want, we can export the list into Excel format by clicking on the green Excel icon. And after a short wait, we have the option to save or open the file. We can also export to Word format by clicking on the blue Word icon to generate the file. The third option is faster and more complete, and consists in simply printing the list directly on paper. For this option, we have a menu to choose the information that we want to include on the printed list. Clicking on the boxes, we hide this information from the list. For example, the indication if we've checked the species or not, the illustration of each species, or its conservation status. We can also add a line for each species with the number of days of the trip. For example, here let's put 15, so that we can record our observations for each day of the trip. Finally, we can print the list clicking on the red printer icon. Or, for even more control of the content to print, we can use the Print Ready Preview feature of our browser and print from there.